Hello there, Bennett here, and today we are last video that was kind of a struggle. The struggle is real. The first video is always horrible. Well, the second video, we can't ignore the first video. That was really horrible. Doing that, record on a computer. But anyway, okay. So the next citadel I plan to handle is actually both relic and zombie citadel, and maybe try my hands on Zionel. Maybe it's because like I might feel hopeless. All right, I'm gonna handle with these folks, and I'm gonna have to change my entire setup for this. All right, let's see. I'm gonna obviously get this guy because this guy runs over folks. This guy because he has really long range, and yeah, these guys. And I'm not gonna get the almighty amateur Rasu because I don't have the I don't have the talent so he can ghost the enemies out, just like obliterate them and keep them dead, like dead. Alright, let me see. There you are, Assassin Bearcat. Your range may be short, but you're still special, I guess. I mean, at least you help me against the various zombie levels such as. Alright. Let's hope I don't, actually this is easy. I'm probably gonna have a little bit of trouble with, stage 10 because, I don't really like to talk to killers, especially the zombie citadels. It's quite annoying. And it sucks. Like, I somehow for some reason, like, I've been so much ridiculously hard levels, but that's because I usually do a little bit of food play carry. There, direct shot in the face. But I didn't really have really good zombies to handle them. I kinda obviously lost due to my lack of very good Uber. But now I have like two good Ubers that I think two good Ubers. And this guy I have on the ring because it kinda says, you know what, I think this guy should have his shoe form. Then remembered why I was saving all of his cat food, and kinda pitch that. Hey, I can get cat food because of diesel. I can waste my time. I can waste my precious time on Kazaji Soul cat food. Also, by the way, it was literally just after my failed attempts at making a video. And I'm just gonna post it tomorrow because I don't want to post 2 videos in one day. That's a little bit very inconsistent, especially. I remember forgetting that my post even exists, that my YouTube channel existed. Alright, continue with this. Free money. I forgot to get the angels one. That's gonna really do some damage. Did I not have the angelic weapon for the angels? I mean, no, for the zombie. Dang it! What the heck? Vox's weapon is really killing me right now. Daddy in my truck, right after you dear. Damn. Well, I need to see this dude. I'm gonna get this. In these stands there. Actually, I'm gonna try and see how worthy he is. Hopefully I'm not that loud because I just turned up. Because I figured out to turn up the volume, and so I pray that it worked effectively. All right. This time it's not gonna be. It's not gonna be for. It's not his upcoming. It's a new uprise for Orbital Annihilator. Ragnarok. I'm not gonna do the stuff. I think you should stop doing that. Alright. Yes, I got it. My favorite weapon. I don't even know. I haven't. So I've seen several videos of him. I'm pretty sure he's quite worthy. Please tell me you're in the perfect mood. Come on, oh, did he hit? Did he hit or no? Oh dang, he's bad. Oh damn, he could have been done. Ooh. Alright, I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm not sure about the Omni Strike though. Does the Omni Strike give me good range? Oh no. Oh, it's just standing. Never mind, hold on. I wanna see oh damn. The range is gonna see me. Oh notice the range is gonna oh how much damage does he do? Like, I mean, he probably does good damage. I'm praying. Wait, look. I'm just gonna pray in my heart. This guy is good, and it's just the Omni range is a lot smaller than I anticipated, but that would make him too powerful. So I'm gonna set my humid aside. Oh wait, what am I talking about? This is the easiest word. So I must not. Dang it, my vocabulary has been declining recently, and I just don't even know why. Actually, I do think I know why. But I'm not gonna just. Wait, so where the heck is he? Oh, there he is. Why is he hiding there? Alright. No! Yes! Alright, that means he's just pointless. He's just gonna walk slowly. Just know nothing. Because he only hits traded enemies. Please! Brother, let him! Right. Time to do something. I have a timer. Relic. Now I have that. I have the thing that kills the zombies. Rawr, I guess. Wait a second. Oh, it has cat ears. Well, isn't it? I didn't notice it had cat ears. Oh, wait. Get my brain cells. The heck? Wait. I think I'm missing something. Because I'm pretty sure it did have brains. It did have cat ears. Like, how did I forget about that? It's like literally one thing in every unit has. Well, except one, but except for this thing. Well, that's a hey, demo my yard. Demo my way and just use this guy just constantly pushing the what's up, that dude? Hey, man, it won't matter. I I say it doesn't matter, then I guess and I say, okay, and then I say, oh, hold up. Hello, hold up. Yes. Oh, shoot, wrong one. This is weirdo. I don't remember. You know, this actually, the weird question is, does he even like spawn like casually? I don't remember. I only played the entirety of Empire of. I forgot the rest of its name, but I completed the entire HQ building stuff. Then that's it. I never really gotten as far as how far I've gotten now. Yes! Bye! Bang! Oh, man! You got one more! What the hell? What if these just, like, the army range is, I think, in my opinion, slightly overwhelming. I propose that we, make it, like, somewhere, like, random guy with, like, low damage, but with, like, good debuff, just have ridiculous omni range, like, small, like, good standing point, huge omni range, back and behind and everywhere. Like, everywhere, like, nowhere is safe. It's like that, useless Palooga that's well, not useless, but it's like, no one really, it's because he's considered what was that weird? I don't know, it was a legendary that, you know, has unused in all directions. So, some of the that, but like, how about just, dang it, I really haven't thought of those actually, I don't think those, like, very easy for, like, zombies. Like, look at that zombie behind that. Okay, I see the flaw as a real problem is he's not dead! I don't know if it's if I'm making too much noise or too little because it's second attempt make videos. Hopefully I get it right. If I do get it wrong, I'll fix it. I'll make it right no matter what. Alright. Pray my soul. The unit I have is the goat. I don't know what it starts. Oh, there it is. Bam bam bam. Bam bam bam. Bam 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 bam. Alright. 100%. Oh. Okay. Alright, 10 out of 12. Actually, I shouldn't do that much. Otherwise, in case they ever escape, in case the opportunity wasn't effective, that First of all, you will not do anything. Yes! It's so beautiful! It's so good! It's so good! And now I'm gonna have to lock in because I haven't actually been the relic citadel. But, I mean, like, I'm a little sad. Alright, yay. Oh, well, can I... Oh, well, that's still good. That is still good. Even if he backs me away from the rare cat stuff. Alright, time to do the relic stuff. How long comes with the fight? Yeah, that's good plan. Alright. Where's my cotton cat? There you. Where's my Russian British rodeo card cat? Alright, is there anything I want to need to know? No. Alright. Time to Kelsey this and follow this. I want to do real stuff. Unfortunately, I can't. Because... No. Alright, but it appears that I have two more slots. I'm gonna... No, this is a bad... Cybercat is a horrible idea now. It's just not a good idea anymore. There any unit I can use? I wish I had Kazajizo, matter of fact. But I think that's quite... Oh, wait a second, hold on. I'm gonna think something. Yeah, and a tanker. Because I don't know why. Why is Pizza Cat so tanky? He's good. He's good. Alright. I shouldn't overestimate the Royal Guard Cat, because the last time I did, I didn't upgrade myself. Because I didn't upgrade myself. Alright, I cooked myself. Alright, I pray now that he doesn't just straight up slap the crap out of him. Yes! Yes! Oh, you gotta be kidding me, I forgot about that. Oh dang, he didn't do that much damage. He's slightly underwhelming. Oh yeah, I forgot the Russian cat does damage. Oh, they have two lives. Surprisingly, they're doing really well. Sure! Mohammed is bang! No! You shall not hit me! Life is good. Royal cat is good. Very good cat. Good cat. Actually, I'm gonna just waste my time for this. I'm gonna wait one at a time and see if I get. Alright, that's good. I guess so. That works. Alright. Relic shit it out. Here I come. Cool. Oh wait, already? Really? Cool. Man, I have too much leadership. I'm gonna have to use them. because Kazachizo ain't coming. I'm pretty sure Kodo is 100% refusing my proposal. I get Kazachizo. You get another very good player. No, not a very good player, but you know. Like, I just get it. I just get everything as soon as I kick off the teaser. Like, okay, well, as soon as I kick off the teaser, the time that all the advent bosses I haven't defeated yet are absolutely crushed. And I haven't been few of them. There's some of them I haven't been, and being able to enables me so much. Alright, here, can't I just do this? Can I just launch out this? Can I just pull this out? Oh no, it's not gonna do it. It's gonna be ineffective. I'm gonna be careful now. I remember this is not quite I just want to even though I already have ability poison everyone, I swear to God. Immediately, guys, after I forget that he won't laugh. 30 seconds of it. It's gonna be also, I thought you missed some relic folks that would like to be dismantled. Alright. Now, Fish would typically be the worst one because of the ostrich and the rhino. So much push that I can't do anything about it. Except I can do anything about it. I have Kelsey. And I have this dude. Pretty useful. The synergy is not working because I'm gonna have to stop right there. Instead of that, we could probably use Thunderbolt maybe, yes, and Marshall, Russian cat, British cat is probably not gonna be exactly useful for this, but I'm gonna keep him because I can. You do not get to tell me anything what is useful and what is not. It's because it is my permission to use whatever I seek. Fits. And I know this doesn't fit, but who cares? As long as I'm winning, this really do not matter. I pray I don't get hurt. Anyway, anytime now, right now, I'm a little patient. Don't worry, you have all the time you needed. Actually, how much damage do you do? Well, how much hits can you just do? I lost count after 5 hits. I don't know how I lost count after 5 hits. How did I lose count like that? So quick. He doesn't know what that even means. Do I even need to? Continue this barrage. This endless cycle, and I'm responding them pretty slowly because there's not much point. He's the Tyrannosaurus. As you can observe, just gonna I'm doing this. So good. Now the guy has to move now. A little bit weird. I'm not gonna summon Rookie, mostly because it's not quite finally effective as soon as the boss comes in. You know, I just realized I do have this in it. I don't know why I didn't do it. Probably because that was very long oh, done. Alright, let's see how this goes. Hababooey. Dave. I'll check. Oh, dang, we gotta wait. Hold on, we gotta wait. It's unfortunate, but we gotta wait. We gotta be patient. We gotta be patient. Listen, I wish I can't only get it. Flying damage is in place of the range. Oh. That is fairly good range. Actually, I shouldn't show. Use YouTube. It's supposed to be young. 50 hours straight. But I don't even have the time. Alright, Moscow. What's the time? Is much faster to in case I ever need to replace the empty spot. Alright. Oh, I don't like this one. It's going to do 30 minutes of me yapping and me playing Battle Cats. Alright, I'm ready. Alright, I'm gonna have to time this because the first time I played this, I had to. God dang it! I ruined. Oh wait, no. Dang it! I almost ruined. I ruined it. I officially done myself. I have outdone myself. Very professional. God, I did. Okay, so I did outdone myself. God dang it. That was a horrible one. I beaten it. I have beaten it. I am fine. That was an accident. That was a unintentional suffering. Oh no! Those skeleton princes! No! Oh. Just one unit did all that. I put them in unit. I put them in C. Oh no, I put them in unit C. Oh no. Wait a second, I'm really connecting. Holy! How did I do that? Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. How did I do that? Whoa. Typically, it would take a little bit. Dang, I'm just gonna do it. What? Oh. Why? Why did it spawn in the middle of all this? And what? Oh, he has Omni Strike. What the heck? Oh, he chose. Okay, cool. I never noticed that. Also, why is he relic? So he's floaty and relic. He doesn't. I can't really say much. It's really confusing. Alright, I'm gonna have to. Please quit. This is called stalling, by the way. You guys haven't discovered my tactic advantage. There's a thing called stalling. Yes. Oh, that was a slightly stupid. Oh, that was good. Oh wait a second, now I just realized. What am I gonna use the legend cat's eye for? Like I can use it, but come on. As a model you've ever tried to like he's a little bit I like legendary, so I'm gonna trash myself and not do that. Ooh, I do this too? Interesting. Floor 7, here we come. I'm panicked. Holy, that baby panicked. Bro, that scared me. That scared me for a lot. That scared me for a lot of life. Holy, that was. Oh, you gotta be kidding me! I forgot about that. Oh no. Okay, that's fine. got it in bed. We got it in bed. Sir, we got it in bed. What? Please! Stop it! Stop it! You are hurting her! Please! Go! Oh! Yeah, you can't do it. And see someone God again. This time with the cross. You gotta be kidding. What the heck? Oh, what's up with the fucking timing? Alright. That's the last move. I'm saying like this, but I don't really care that much. I don't really care too much. Oh, Muhammad, you are good. Dang, you are good. I need to get Muhammad. If you obviously because I cannot Baja blast my way into the because they suck at. Why is it not like? Why is it hard? I don't want it to be hard. Like make it lower message, lower damage. Make it okay. Like what did I say that? That doesn't make sense at all. Alright. Oh my god, he was 8. That's horrible. That's gotta be that's horrible. I just felt that. I'm like, okay, so Can, I'm very sorry, but you're gonna have to be removed. And for the GOAT, the greatest of all time, and you're gonna have to get removed too. I apologize, but it's what I have to do because you are not effective. That will hurt your feeling, and I'm sorry for that. Now what else? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for making that noises. I will not do that again. Actually, I can push him a little bit. I don't want to push him too much. It's a horrible idea. Alright, I'm gonna use it.
Alright. It is time. I summon him. Why? Because. Oh shoot, I have 140 heal load. I forgot it. There's somebody
No! How low was he? I'm afraid I have to stop right there. Actually, hold up. No. I made my promise. Zeo nil resurrected. I'm gonna have to do that. For you guys. I know what enemies that will be in, so you know, we had to. Alright, and I'm gonna have to use. No. Is Uber's okay? I'm gonna. I'm gonna need to figure that out. Alright. Is that good? Good? Okay, no. Not good. No, it is not good. Ramen cat. It's all about this, I guess. This. And Bahamut. And yeah, freeze for Bahamut. Alright. Is that it? Alright, I'm gonna have to bring one Uber. Do I trust him? Nah, I don't know. I wish you could. Okay, if you guys being that, please, I beg of you, please show me how to beat this. Because I don't want to suffer. Oh great, I have too much. Already I'm scared.
Oh no! It's this! It's the noob! It's them noob!
You gotta be kidding. Actually, that's not the issue. The real issue is you gotta be. Hello, bro. That's great. Alright, hold up. I need to. Okay, that was a horrible timing. What? That's even worse. What am I doing? That okay. Cool. That's really great. I really did myself a good thing there. Great. No! What the heck? You thief! Will he? What? Okay. Is he even fast enough? Actually, that's a great question. Is he even fast? Remotely fast enough? So I'm gonna have to find out. So I'm gonna spam this, test it out. Oh no. No! That's horrible! No. Please, not hit me. Thank you. What the heck? Wait, you don't kill me. Let's go. What daddy is a shame? Well, but just gonna have to do kill him. Okay, I need to figure out see what that is. That's not gonna be fun. Alright, next one is Dang it! I had to deal with two. Yep, a little bit. Dang it, the homage is what the hell? Damn, alright, well, I mean, I did slightly well. I mean, I was on the last wave. God, that sucked. Well, that is it, you guys. I hope you find this very entertaining to watch me suffer a little bit from 2 levels. Oh, alright, I'm gonna do this off video. She